The Under-20 Reggae Girlz will begin their quest for a debut appearance at the FIFA Under-20 Women's World Cup later this year when they face Guatemala in the Dominican Republic on Saturday. More from Karen Madden.
The Jamaicans are hoping to be among 4 teams from CONCACAF to advance to the FIFA Age Group tournament. The hunt begins on Saturday against the tough Guatemala team, which has spent more time together than the Jamaicans. Several members of the team are overseas based, and before leaving Jamaica, head coach Xavier Gilbert admitted that their only session in the Dominican Republic will be the first time the full squad will be training together. Assistant coach Tashana Vincent believes experienced players will have to lead the mission.
Players like Peyton McNamara and Nefuge Abel, who have played at this level before and also had the privilege of being a part of the senior program, these players will have to come up big for us in this tournament. And I am sure that the players know the responsibility that they will have going into this tournament and how much the team will depend on their leadership to ensure that we secure one of the qualifying spots.
Former captain Jody Brown is still eligible to play with the under-20s, but is involved with the senior Reggae Girlz in their own World Cup quest. But Vincent says there are players that can fill the huge void.
I'm extremely disappointed that we don't have Jody Brown available to us, but that is not something we can dwell on. We know what Jody brings to the table. She's arguably the best player at this age group in CONCACAF, but we can't dwell on it. We have a job to do, and that is qualify for the World Cup. So we have to work with what we have. And right now, I think that we still have players in the team capable of pulling off the job.
And Vincent also reacted to being one of the 3 women coaching at the national level.
I must say that as a past player and a lover of the game, it would be a dream come true to be able to qualify a team for a World Cup. So I look forward to trying to create history and writing all our names in the history books.
Saturday's game starts at 3 p.m. Jamaica time. The Reggae Girlz will next face Cuba on Monday and Haiti on Wednesday. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.